A special thank you to each of our subscribers who make this channel possible. Here's today's story. In a surprising turn of events, the Trump administration has decided to reverse its earlier decision regarding the control of the Washington, D.C. Police Department. Following a court hearing, the administration has agreed to allow the current police chief to remain in charge, a move that comes amidst rising tensions and legal challenges over federal intervention in local law enforcement. The situation unfolded after a lawsuit was filed by D.C. officials seeking to block President Trump's controversial takeover of the city's police force, which had raised significant concerns among residents and local leaders. The Attorney General of Florida, Pam Bondi, issued a new memo directing D.C.'s police to cooperate with federal immigration enforcement, regardless of local laws that typically limit such cooperation. This directive is seen as a partial retreat by the Trump administration, which had previously escalated its intervention by appointing a federal official to oversee the department. The legal battle highlights the ongoing struggle between federal authority and local governance, particularly in a city that has a predominantly Democratic leadership. D.C. Mayor Muriel Bowser expressed her concerns about the federal government's increasing control over local policing, stating that the past week has been unsettling for the city and its residents. She emphasized the importance of standing together to uphold the principles of democracy, even in the face of challenges to self-governance. The court proceedings revealed a complex legal landscape, with U.S. District Judge Ana Reyes questioning the extent of the Trump administration's authority over the D.C. police. Judge Reyes indicated that while the president could request assistance from local law enforcement, he could not exert full control over the department. This ruling is significant as it underscores the delicate balance of power between federal and local governments. The Trump administration's actions have drawn criticism from various quarters, with many arguing that the takeover is an unprecedented assertion of federal power over a local police force. Critics have pointed out that D.C. has its own elected officials and a long history of self-governance, dating back to the Home Rule Act of 1973. The legal disputes reflect broader national debates over immigration policy, public safety, and the rights of local governments to make decisions independent of federal mandates. As the situation continues to evolve, the implications of this legal battle will likely resonate beyond the borders of Washington, D.C., potentially influencing how immigration enforcement is handled across the country. The Trump administration's approach to policing and immigration has sparked significant controversy, particularly in urban areas where local leaders are often at odds with federal policies. The outcome of this legal struggle could set important precedents for the future of local law enforcement and the autonomy of cities in the face of federal intervention. As Washingtonians navigate this complex landscape, the stakes remain high for both residents and local officials who are committed to protecting their community's interests and upholding democratic values. That's all for this story. We upload videos every day covering many different subjects, so hit that subscribe button to stay informed. Thanks for watching.